Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Android, especially Infinix Note app not installed issue, how to solve the app installation problem. So if you install app from Play Store, of course, it's rarely happen encounter with the installed application issues. The only the only issue that I know is if you have full of storage, you cannot install the application. You need to clear up some space on your phone before installing the new application. And also, there is a problem here. You cannot install the application other than a Play Store via Play Store. So for example, you install application from unknown sources from your browser. So in order to install application from your browser, you need to activate unknown resources. So you can go to the settings, you can type unknown source installation. Here you can tap it, and please turn on Chrome, File Manager, Files by Google, and other browser you have to activate a unknown source installations. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.